What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Yes, I said it. You make an extra income, and also telling you guys nothing but the truth, giving you guys transparent ways to make money. I don't just sit there on a video and tell you, hey guys, this is how you make $1 million. You got to make sure that you find this and you got to make sure you do that. And I don't even show you how to do it. I don't leave no links to anything. I don't make sure that I give you the access that I have, right? So this is a channel you need to be on if you're trying to make money. Now, I'm just going to say this. I'm very disappointed. Okay, I'm very disappointed because I've been working. Okay, I've been working, but it hasn't been showing because I've been actually working on a video of how to make $500 a day drop shipping. Okay, I've attempted it. Okay, now, if you guys don't know, I'm a big component of not drop shipping. But what I was trying to do was I was trying to do an experiment. And the experiment I was trying to do is I was trying to drop ship products and make it to where I show you guys my profits daily. And unfortunately, before I could even do that, my site got taken down. So one thing I want to say, if you are somebody that is looking into drop shipping, that's fine. I don't think that there's anything wrong with you searching and trying new techniques, because everybody has their learning journey. Everybody, okay? And everybody deserves to have their own journey. Whether your journey be good, it may be better than mine, it may be worse. But all I'm going to do is tell you guys my journey and my solution, okay? And I did create a solution because I've been tired and frustrated at drop shipping and having sites taken down, products put on the archive list and you don't know, and shipping labels being voided, and all the money being held. All of the fiascos gets tiring after a while when you're trying to make a living, okay? You're trying to get out the 9-to-5 rat race. You're trying to make sure that you are putting yourself in a better position. At some point in time, you don't have time to play, okay? You have time to make money, and that's it, right? So I just want to say this, okay? At hustlersbuy.com, we have product boxes. Product boxes come with a whole bunch of electronic accessories that you would literally go ahead and be able to list on Shopify, list on eBay, MERCARI, Amazon, any platform you would like, and you can make an income doing it. Now, the problem with the and I'll go in depth in this in a second, but the problem with the $500 a day is several times, not just one, but around 3 times I had my site taken down when I included an extension that usually people use drop shipping, okay? And an extension, of course, is going to be something you hook up to your web browser, and you got to go on AliExpress, and it sort of kind of puts the reviews that people put on a product. It also brings all the product pictures that you choose and the product price. You can actually monitor stocks and everything from AliExpress, so that when people are buying the product, you already know if it's in stock or if it's not, right? Now, the problem that I had in a frustrating aspect, not only did the site get taken down, but I started to realize that this drop shipping thing is completely oversaturated, and it is also nothing but lies. It's something that is being sold to us as a facade to make it seem as if we can make money, when it's in reality that's chasing cheese. You know, just think about a cheese on a string and a mouse just following that cheese. You just keep always moving that string, always moving it, always moving it. And I started to realize that's exactly what it is, and it's exactly how I feel, and it is very frustrating, very draining, and I don't want you guys to go through it. So can you make $500 a day? Yes. Can you make it drop shipping? Possibly, but I would say for the masses, no. Okay, if you want to be real, I would say I'd rather you go and you get something like this, okay? A 20-watt adapter, and you use the 20-watt adapter. You get this for around, let's just say you get this for $4.50, okay? You get the adapter for $4.50, and then instead you take this adapter, you then sell this for around $12. This is in your possession, okay? This isn't having anybody as a middleman. You actually get to feel the quality, use it just to make sure it works, because there's a lot of things out there that people are promoting and it don't even work, and your customer might get it and then complain, okay? So it is a few things drop shipping does, okay? And I would say the things that it does that can really hinder you as a person, whether you're filed as a business or filed as an individual. Customer complaints, chargebacks, of course, shipments not arriving, and also payments being on hold. Those are things that I think are detrimental to anybody's business, because guess what? If any of those happen and you actually did ship out the product, you put out money for this and didn't get anything in return. And trust me, I am a true walking survivor of this. I've spent so much money on product and the customer got the product and I got nothing back. It's very frustrating, very inconvenient, very heartbreaking, but it's life, it's business. It's what we sign up for, right? When you do your research and you're looking for videos, hopefully you come across a video like this with clear, 100% transparency for you to understand the warnings, to understand the danger, but also understand sometimes you have to go out and you have to make your own lessons. I can't save everybody, right? You can't save everybody. And also sometimes experience is the best lesson, right? It's the best teacher, right? So what I will say is we offer a 42 product box, okay? 42 products in the product box, all right? 42. And each product, if you divide that by 150, because the box costs $150, you're getting each product for around $3.75. Things in this box include but 20 USB to lightning cables, 20 USB-C to lightning cables, MagSafe cases, okay? MagSafe cases, laptop chargers, headphones, power adapters, and etc. guys. And I have this link below where you actually can check it out and see. And I'm not telling you to buy nothing from me. Don't buy, listen, this is not a campaign for you to buy anything from me, but you have to also understand what my job is. My job is to make videos, right? But also my job is to also provide you with value and make sure that you guys have solution. And that is something I take pride in. Is I don't want to make videos complaining. I don't want to make videos like everybody else. Then would be a contradiction if I did, because technically that's what I'm complaining and ranting about, is people telling you techniques and things they can do when essentially they have no way of really getting in depth and showing you. It's easy to put screenshots or even to screen record somebody else's Shopify and act like it's yours. It's easy. Trust me. It's easy. And it's like, I already know. And these are things that I've learned because I've dealt with gurus and I've dealt with people that have claimed they made a lot of money on YouTube, or when they meet you, it's just like an Instagram model on Instagram, or somebody on Instagram with a lot of followers, and then you see them in person, they dusty and musty. It's like sometimes the internet can portray people and it be the opposite in reality, and we always have that bug to bite us in our behinds when we sit there and fall for their stuff, right? And I don't want you guys to do that. So guys, check out the product box, check out wholesalers, check out things that you want to accomplish. Do your research, but also understand that no fast money lasts. Don't take shortcuts. I want you to do things the right way. I took so many shortcuts in my life and I'm still paying for them until this day. Please don't take shortcuts. Please do it right. Your family is dependent on you. Your why, the reason you're doing this, the reason you're watching this video, don't let it all go to waste because you want to try to be fast. Take your time, do your research, and make it happen. You guys got this. Join the Discord. Link is below, man. Talk to us every single day. I love y'all. Peace.